Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x8024A206 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, that the error code 0x8024A206 usually occurs when you are trying to download, install, upgrade, or update Windows, like performing an update of your Wi-Fi adapter and interference from third-party software. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then, next step dito sa troubleshoot settings. And then, dito lang sa options under nito, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So, click lang natin yan. And then, dito sa other troubleshooters, under nito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. And then, dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic procedure. Okay, so after completing the troubleshootings has completed, so ang next step ay close lang natin itong settings. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo nang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then next step ay kailangan natin dito i-paste. So, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung edit. And then, click mo lang dito yung paste. Or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then, click mo lang yan. And then, press mo yung enter. So, makikita mo na dito yung deployment image servicing and management tool. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the operations completed successfully, and then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So, i-click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update error code 0x8024A206 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.